What is ventilation in structural firefighting? Imagine being inside a burning building where smoke and heat are thick in the air. How do firefighters make it safer and easier to fight the fire? The answer is through ventilation. Ventilation in structural firefighting is the process of intentionally removing heat, smoke, and toxic gases from a building that is on fire. This is done to clear the air so firefighters can see better, breathe easier, and work more safely. It also helps slow down the fire by controlling the flow of oxygen and smoke. There are different ways to do this. One common method is natural ventilation. Firefighters open windows, doors, or vents to let smoke and heat escape naturally. They might break a window or open a door to create a path for the smoke to leave. This is often used early in a fire to improve visibility and give firefighters better access. Another effective way is vertical ventilation. This involves creating openings in the roof, like cutting a hole or using existing vents. Hot gases and smoke naturally rise, so opening the roof allows these dangerous elements to escape quickly. This method is very effective because it takes advantage of the natural buoyancy of hot gases. Mechanical ventilation uses fans and equipment to control the airflow. Positive pressure ventilation involves placing fans outside the building to blow fresh air inside. This creates higher pressure inside, pushing smoke and heat out through other openings. It is safe and predictable, making it a popular choice. Negative pressure ventilation uses fans to suck smoke out of the building. This method pulls the smoke out by creating a vacuum, but it is less common because it can be harder to control, especially in large or sealed structures. Hydraulic ventilation is another technique. It uses a fog stream from a hose directed out a window or opening. The water fog creates an air current that helps draw smoke out. This method is useful when vertical or mechanical ventilation is not possible or safe, especially during overhaul after the main fire is out. Using ventilation correctly can make a big difference. It improves visibility so firefighters can find and put out the fire faster. It reduces heat, preventing flashover, which is when everything in a room ignites suddenly. It also helps prevent backdraft, which is an explosion caused by oxygen rushing into a smoky, oxygen-depleted space. Ventilation also protects occupants by clearing out dangerous gases and smoke, making evacuation safer. But it's important to plan ventilation carefully. If done poorly, it can feed the fire with oxygen or create dangerous airflow paths. Firefighters must coordinate ventilation with their fire attack efforts to stay safe and be effective. The choice of method depends on the size of the fire, the building's construction, and safety considerations. In the end, ventilation in structural firefighting is a key tactic. It helps control the environment inside a burning building by removing heat and smoke and bringing in fresh air. This makes fighting the fire safer and more efficient, protecting both firefighters and anyone inside.